Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are reviewing a stylish and hassle-free way to bring greenery into your space. The IKEA decoration set of 3 green plants. These aren't the typical house plants, they are beautifully crafted ceramic cactuses that give your home a fresh, nature-inspired vibe without any maintenance. So if you love the look of the plants but don't want the watering and upkeep, keep watching to see if this set is right for you. I can tell they are well made. The ceramic has a smooth glossy finish with a beautiful detailing that mimics real cacti. You get 3 different cactus designs. One tall cactus, 18 cm height and 9 cm diameter. They feel sturdy and the colored glaze give them a premium look that works with almost any decor style. Taking care of these is super easy. Just wipe them with a damp cloth occasionally to keep them dust free. Since they are made up of stoneware with a colored glaze, they are durable and resistant to the chipping. Here is the medium cactus, which is 16 cm height and 8 cm diameter. Keeping real plants alive isn't for everyone. Maybe you travel a lot or you just don't have the time for plant care. That's where these ceramic cactuses shine. Zero maintenance, long lasting, mess free and pet friendly. Here is the small cactus of 9 cm height and 10 cm diameter. If you want to add a touch of greenery to your home without the hassle, then this set is a fantastic choice. It's stylish, easy to maintain and brings a fresh vibe to any space. One of the best things about these ceramic plants is their versatility. You can place them on your office desk, bookshelves, coffee tables, a bedside table or even in bathroom for a spa-like feel. They can fit seamlessly into minimalist, boho or desert style interior, adding that pop of green without looking artificial. Now let's talk about the price. The IKEA decoration set of 3 green plants is available for rupees 1490 in INR and which is approximately 18 USD. For this quality and aesthetic appeal, I would say it's a great deal. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more home decor reviews. Let me know on the comments, would you buy these ceramic cactuses for your home? See you in the next video. Thank you.